Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the coordinate geometry and how to donate a point on a plane and on a number line. This will be come inside the Cartesian coordinate system. So how to find out a point on a line? Let point A be on a number line, and we have shown it at the position 5. So it is origin, and from origin, that is 0, it is denoted 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is a number line system, and we have denoted a point at the position 5. So it is in a particular directions, and a distance from here, that is the point A is the point, a distance from origin, that is the origin 0, it is 5 unit. Now how to find out a point on a plain paper? Let me have donated a point on a plain paper, and it is the point A. So from one side of the plane, that is from length side, what is the position of it? And from one side, one can say that from the length side, its distance is about 9 centimeter. And from this line, that from left side, its distance may be 5 centimeter. As it is small, then we can consider this 5 unit, and as it is the large, we can consider it 9 unit. So on a paper, we have denoted a point. So to denote a point on a paper, we can denote from the length side, or we can denote from the breadth side. So a point can be said 5 unit from breadth side, 5 unit from breadth side. And we can also say that is 9 unit from length side, length. So it may be 5 unit from the breadth side and 9 unit from the length side. So to graph a number, we use a point on the number line. To graph a number, so to graph a number, we use number line, and to graph a pair of number, we use the point in the plane. So pair of number, here A is denoted by two numbers, that is 5 and 9. So we have denoted 5 and A as 5 from the length side, breadth side, and the 9th unit from the length side. So to donate a point on a plane, we will have to consider from both sides, from the length side as well as the breadth side. And as it has got 2 points, that is from the length side, it is 5, breadth side from 5 unit, and from length side it is 9 unit. So to graph a point on a point, a pair of a number, we use a point in a plane. Now as we have seen, to draw a point on a paper, we have given that is the length from the length side, it is 9, and from here, let it is origin, it is 1, 2, 3, or it is 5. To parallel side is 5 unit. So length from length side, we can say that is length, length, so 5 unit. Parallel to the length side it is 5 unit, and parallel to breadth side it is 9 unit. Let it is 9. So parallel to breadth side. Now A can be denoted. Let A can be denoted by 5 and 9. So coordinate of a point. So coordinate of A, that is A point, an order pair, an order pair of real number. So it is an ordered pair of a real number. 5 and 9 is a real number, and an order in an order. So in an order, that is the, what is order pair? Order pair, pair, order pair. A pair of number, a pair of number A and B, used in a special order in special order with A at first position. You can say that first place, and B at the second place. Now so here we have used the coordinate of a point, an order pair of real number. So order pair of real number. What is order pair? A pair of number A and B used in a special order with A at the first place and B at the second place. Here A and B are, here A is 5, A is 5 and B is 9. A is 5 and B is 9. So coordinate axis. So we will learn about the coordinate axis now. Coordinate axis. The position of a point. Of a point in a plane is determined with with a reform to the position of a point in a plane is determined with two fixed mutually perpendicular line with two fixed perpendicular lines called coordinate axis. So how to represent the coordinate axis? We have taken point A, so point A, 5 and 9. So let it is the 0. Here it is 5 and here it is 9. From 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is a coordinate axis. So Rand-Descartes Cartesian system of the coordinate system, Rand-Descartes introduced the Cartesian system of the coordinate. Rand-Descartes was the French mathematician who introduced the Cartesian coordinate of the system. To find out the position of a point in a plane, not on a line, or the finding out a position of a point on a line, it is a one direction method, whereas to find out the position of a point in a plane, it is the two-dimensional system. So here it is a length, we can say that it is a length, and it is the breadth. So it is represented by a real number, that is the 5 and 9, and which is in order. So we can 5 and 9 is not equal to 9 and 5. So it is in order. So here order is that simple method that it is a x, that is we can say that x and y. So it is x is the length and y is the breadth in a plane, in a paper. So we have studied about the coordinate system. In next class we will study more about the coordinate system. Thank you.